Okay, so here is the Schwa practice, and we're going to look at a lot of words. We're going to repeat some, but we'll look at some different ones too. Okay, so there it is, banana. There it is, banana. So it looks like banana, but it's banana, banana, banana. Here's a new word, animal. It looks like animal, 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 but it's really animal, 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 animal. Animal, what are they? You guys were telling me the other day, is it Wendy's? Or no, In and Out. Animal fry, animal style? Is that what it is? French fries, animal style? Animal, animal, animal. And family, 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 family. We got that one already. Here's a good one. It looks like elevator. It's actually elevator, elevator, elevator. Really important to say the L hard. Elevator, elevator, elevator. Telephone. Yeah. Telephone, 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 telephone. Here's a good one. Important. Look, this is the, in fact, looks like, in Spanish you have importante, right? But this is important. Important sounds like this. Important. They don't even have a T. It's just no T sound. Important. 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 Not even important, but important. Important. It's very important. It's very important to pay your rent. It's very important. This is a strange one. The word is emergency, but it's pronounced emergency. Emergency. The E is There's a schwa there. Emergency. 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 And there's our friend computer again. Computer. 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 Umbrella. Again, umbrella. Do we have that before? This is a really good one. Umbrella. 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 The strong syllable is very clear, but the others, not. The weak syllables, not strong, not pronounced at all, hardly. Umbrella. 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 Here's a great one. Tomato is tomato. 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 Ta-may-do. Tomato. 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 Yeah, there it is. Tomato. Here is doctor. 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 So in Spanish, it looks like in English, doctor. 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 But it's actually doctor. Doctor. All you hear is the doctor. 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 Here's another one. Pencil. 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 Here's a one we've said before. About. About. About means two things. One is it could be como, like it's about a girl and her dog about. It could also be approximately, más o menos. It's about $100. It's approximately, approximately, más o menos. It's about $100. Great one. Hospital. Hospital. A drink. Hospital. 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 Biddle. Biddle. Hospital. 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 It's very low. Hospital. Interesting word. This word is today. Looks like today. This is hoy in Spanish. Today. Today is Tuesday. But it's pronounced today. 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 Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow, there it is again. Tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Tomorrow. This is another, this is like un otro, another, it's pronounced another. I lost my connection here. There we go. It's back. Another. Great word. Understand. Understand. So it's understand. I understand. I understand. Yes, I understand. 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 Oh, it's understand. Here is the word water is actually water. Water. Do you hear that? Almost a D. The water. Water. Do you hear it? Water. 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 It's almost water. 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 And apartment. We've had this before. Apartment. 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 Not even apartment. Apartment.